In a bizarre case of unauthorized access, a 53-year-old man from California has been charged for meddling with a water treatment facility's critical software. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. Meet Rambler Gallo, the self-proclaimed hacker wannabe who worked for a company contracted by the town of Discovery Bay. During his stint from 2016 to 2020, Gallo allegedly installed software that granted him remote access to the water facility's systems from his own computer. But the real fun began after he resigned. Using his secret remote access, Gallo unleashed chaos by uninstalling the protective software that safeguarded the entire water treatment system, including water pressure, filtration, and chemical levels. Authorities have charged him with unauthorized access, but let's be honest, he was no super spy hacker mastermind. This was more of a case of a disgruntled ex-employee causing trouble. Gallo now faces a potential 10-year prison sentence and a hefty $250,000 fine. Costly revenge, to say the least. Let's hope this incident prompts tighter security measures and keeps the wannabe hackers at bay. Water treatment systems should be safe and clean, not a playground for mischief makers. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.